Hello guys, welcome to another video. So, uni naman. So, andito yung mouse ko, tapos yung keyboard ko. Tapos, wala naman sa table ko. Wala na. So nag-eskwela kami yun. Tapos, sa sapatos, may galit ko. So guys, hindi ko kita pero ini so mousepad is kind of hindi man kailangan ako table. So guys, ma-Minecraft ko ako pero wala na dahil na muna buha ko eskwela kung ipiling ko na muna ang RPG ko video sa keyboard. So it look like digging something. So I'm going to show you my bed. Okay, there's my bed right over there. Blue screen. So this is one of the coolest keyboard I ever got because it's kind of not RPG. So goodbye guys, good night.